In today's video, we're going to talk about getting Medicaid when you already have Medicare. If you've had Medicare for years and just recently got Medicaid, this video is for you. First off, congratulations. You now have two of the most powerful health programs in the country working for you. But heads up, this can change a lot. So if you just got Medicaid, here's what you need to do. Number one, make sure Medicaid knows you also have Medicare. States don't always connect the dots. You may need to follow up with your local Medicaid office to make sure both systems are talking to each other. Some states file an application for your Medicare savings program automatically, and some states make you fill out another application. We talk more about Medicare saving programs in Chapter 12 of the Medicare and Medicaid Survival Guide. Number two, you now have extra help with your prescription drugs, also known as low-income subsidy. This is a federal program administered through the Department of Social Security that drastically reduces your prescription drug costs. Make sure this discount is being applied when you pick up your drugs at the pharmacy. Number three, you can now consider enrolling in a Medicare Dual Special Needs Plan, often referred to as a DSNP. DSNPs are a type of Medicare Advantage plan that are only available to people that have both Medicare and Medicaid. We cover DSNPs in more detail in Chapter 6 of the Medicare and Medicaid Survival Guide. Number four, watch out for disenrollment risks. Now that you have both Medicare and Medicaid, it's critical to keep your Medicaid active. You must complete your Medicaid recertification, usually once or twice a year. You will need to report any income or household changes to your state Medicaid office. And you need to respond to mail you receive from the state. If your Medicaid lapses, you'll be notified in writing, and do not ignore it. There's usually a short window to appeal or reapply, and this is often fixed by simply supplying some missing information. Going from Medicare to having Medicare and Medicaid can feel overwhelming, but it's actually a major upgrade when used correctly. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe for more useful information to come. And if you've not already downloaded the Medicare and Medicaid Survival Guide, there's a link in the description below that you can use to download it. Until next time, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.